Welcome to the Tech Boom channel. Today, Realme V15 unboxing uses a Samsung AMOLED screen with FHD. The screen refresh rate is 60 Hz. It's a pity that there is no high brush. Fortunately, with a touch sampling rate of 180 Hz, the colorless transition animation is fast enough, and the whole machine is sensitive enough. In fact, the experience is quite satisfying. In fact, the feeling of the front of the Realme V15 is similar to that of the X7, with the front straight screen design, equal width on 3 sides, and slightly longer chin. Realme V15, from the LCD material of V5 to Samsung AMOLED screen, the next level V25 should be the OLED screen with high brush and pop package. The koi color of Realme V15 is responsible for attracting eyes. The 176 grams weight and 3 millimeters thickness are flattering the palm. Compared with the 194G made by Realme V5, the slimming program of V15 has been quite successful. In terms of details, the 3.5mm headphone port is removed from the Realme V15, but the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter will be attached, which is acceptable. In addition, compared with the side fingerprint of Realme V5, V15 is replaced by mainstream screen fingerprint, which is more natural and intuitive to use. With fewer border elements, V15 is more concise. Another point is that the design style of the Realme V15 straight screen is close to that of the Realme X7. The connection between the screen and the frame is not delicate enough. The factory built-in film enlarges this not delicate touch, especially when you are sliding with gestures. The highlight of the design of Realme V15 is the introduction of the national trend element. The most eye-catching color matching is the color matching of koi garb, which is relatively more high-profile and artistic. If you want to keep a low profile, Realme V15 also has crescent silver and mirror lake blue colors for you to choose from. MediaTek 800U, 2000 yuan, the best price. Although the appearance of Realme V15 introduces new concepts, it also wants to provide enough competitiveness within 2000 yuan. The Realme V15 has an 800U SoC, 64-megapixel main camera, 4310 mAh battery, dual cards, dual 5G and 50W fast charging. It is not the first time that the 800U SoC of MediaTek TNG appeared in the products of Realme. It first appeared in Realme X7. According to the architecture, TNG 800U was not an iterated version of 800, but an overclocking version of MediaTek TNG 720. According to the naming method of a large chip manufacturer, it is more appropriate to call it TNG 720. For CPU, TNG 800U adopts the design of 2 cores 6 small cores, which is the same as TNG 720, but the dominant frequency of the 2A76 cores is 2.4 GHz, and the small core of A55 is 2.0 GHz. Theoretically, the CPU performance of TNG 800U is slightly better than that of TNG 720 by 11%, especially in single-core performance. As for the GPU, though TNG 800U and TNG 720 are equipped with ARM Mali G57MC3. However, according to the official website of MediaTek, the GPU efficiency of TNG 800U has been improved by 28%. Probably because MediaTek is overclocking the Mali G57. In the third quarter of 2020, MediaTek surpassed Qualcomm as the world's largest chip manufacturer, occupying 31% of the market share, and performing well in the price range of $100 to $250. At present, MediaTek focuses on 5G mid-range chips and mid-range models. Its chips can meet the demand of manufacturers for dual card and dual 5G, and its market share is gradually increasing. We also see many products equipped with MediaTek SoC, and TNG 800U also belongs to this category.
In terms of theoretical running points, the performance of GNG800U is close to that of Galaxy Along 765G and GNG800. In fact, in daily use,